Hello everyone, this is Tapesh Gaur. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to share my views on being student of life. I'll start with what I believe. I believe that life is the best teacher because whatever you learn from your own experience, it remains for long. And I also believe that being student of life, you may learn faster and you may learn better because you may face so many situations, you may face so many things in your day-to-day life which keeps on enhancing your learning, which keeps on enhancing your experience. Let's have an example of big entrepreneurs. Let's have an example of Bill Gates and Henry Ford. If you go back and search their academics background, you will find that they are having an average academic background. On the same way, if you get deep into it, in some cases you will find the academic background below average academic background, but still they are very much successful. Reason being that because they considered their life as a teacher of them, and they learned from their own experience, and whatever they learned they had started implementing them. That is why they are successful. Let's I'll pick up one example from a movie called Three Idiots. Hope most of you had seen the movie Three Idiots, and there is a specific reason of picking the example from Three Idiots because I want to correlate that example with the topic. There were three heroes, three actors in the movie. The one actor, if you still remember, I don't remember the exact name in that movie of that character, but the actor was Shravan Joshi. Shravan Joshi, if you remember, in one scene, he tried to commit suicide, and he jumped from the rooftop, where he was sent to hospital. He was hospitalized and took some time to get recovered. Finally, when he recovered, he received an interview call from some big company. So during his interview time, although his leg was not well, it was totally fractured. It was seen in the scene. So he was sitting on the wheelchair and attending an interview. Interviewer asked him, "Ki, what is the problem? Why you got injured?" So he straightforward responded, "Boss, I tried to commit suicide." Then he raised the same question, why your marks are average throughout the uh, throughout every year. He responded in a transparent manner. He responded the true answer. So interviewer, they are not expecting such transparency, such truthfulness in the attitude of one who came for an interview. So straightforward interviewer asked him just to derail his mind. Ki, boss, according to us, your candidature seems to be okay, but you need to change bit in your attitude. Like you are very much transparent, you are very much straightforward. We need someone who is diplomatic in his behavior, who is diplomatic in his attitude. So interviewer said, ki, if you are ready to be a diplomatic, if you are ready to come out with this attitude of straightforwardness, truthfulness, then we are ready to hire you. That in that movie, that Shravan Joshi responded, "Boss, I had learned this attitude from my tough time. Although I had learned so many things during my college days, school days, but this attitude came from my tough time, which I had gone through from last 20-30 days. So this attitude helps me to stand in front of everybody. This attitude gives me a lot of power, and this attitude I had learned from my life. So I'm not ready to leave this attitude. In case if you don't want to offer me a job, then it's okay." Finally, he was offered job. Why I share this incidents? Because apart from his academic training, apart from his school college training, he shared what he has learned from his from experience of his life, what he has learned from his life. This is simply to build your confidence on my belief that Life is the best teacher, and be student of your life. So this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you like the video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.